This is the MAGIC P10. It's an AMOLED screen, square style of smartwatch with all kinds of controls. You can set it up to cover the display and go into always on display. Twist your wrist to bring it back up. Or if you prefer, you can set it to tap the screen and bring it up. All those are configurable. When you swipe down now, you get into a variety of different controls, and you can add more to them. We go over all of these in depth in the full review. You also have the ability to get your notifications sent from your phone when you swipe to the right. And when you come up now, check this out. You get your time and date. You get your step count, your music player, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, emotion, weather in your area, and you can edit and change these around to your liking. If you want more details, swipe to the left. How you get the breakdown of all of your step information, calories burned, distance traveled, tap here, and you get the information for the past week. Each of these circles starts on Sunday, and this happens to be Sunday. Last week's data is already off, but this week's data will fill up. You get an hourly indication of all of your parameters too over the 24-hour period in the details. Come over here, you're getting into heart rate. This shows you your heart rate over the past 24 hours. Your current heart rate is happening right there. And of course, you can get your resting heart rate too. Similar type of thing with blood oxygen. You've got the settings where you can say how frequently it will do that. Overall stress, it'll tell you the amount of stress that you have going on. And then an emotional state prediction on whether you're calm, peaceful, or a little agitated. Overall, last night's sleep information is here. Awake, REM, light, deep, the breakdown by hours, and even more in the Tethering app. Weather in your area, current conditions, forecast, UV information, multiple days. Here you go into workouts. You got all the basic workouts available to you. GPS is in this watch, and you're able to invoke it with all of these kind of activities. This button's programmed to bring that one up, but of course, since it's here already as a widget, I've reprogrammed that to be the compass for this watch. If I go into here, I can instantly change it any direction I want to. But I digress. We were going across this way, right? And we were up to our workout section. The next one is calls, call logs, SOS information, music player that you can set up to stream the music from the phone through the watch or control the music in your phone from the watch. And you can add and move those widgets around to your liking. You've got a rotating crown with a KOSPET logo on it. And when I tap it and get into all of the installed apps, you can see you got training plans, a whole new feature with their whole new app. Workout records, which give you your track record and a lot of information about what you did in that particular workout. They'll accumulate there and transfer to the app. You got heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen. We showed you all of those things. Ollie is the thing that's going to be coming soon. We'll be talking more about that later. Weather in your area. There's the compass, altimeter, world clock, timer, stopwatch that runs in the background, flashlight. Women's health is even in this one. And of course, overall settings. It's lightweight. It's designed basically for urban professionals that want to balance work and wellness together. Red diode for blood oxygen readings. It's really a sophisticated watch coming in at a very good price. Once again, it is the MAGIC P10. Check it out.